In this video, we're going to look at problem 10.2, except we're not going to do the whole problem because we're going to be spending some time in class going through this in small groups. So in this problem, all we are asked to do is decide from a big list of numbers if they make sense or don't make sense as inputs to a certain scenario. So specifically with the first example, we are given a function where our input is the side length, s. This is our input. And we're trying to decide what numbers do make sense to plug in for side length for a square and what numbers don't make sense. Now they also tell us here that the output is area. That's not super important here, but it is relevant. So as soon as I look at this problem, something I'm thinking right off the bat is that for side length, I'm not going to have negative numbers. That's one thing that's going to come up. But other than that, I can use most numbers, right? I can use whole numbers, 1, 2, 3. Those all could be side lengths. I can also use decimals. We could have, 1.5 centimeters as the side length for a square. So let's go check out some of the possible examples they've given us and see if they will work. Well, if I look at -3, we already said I can't have negative side lengths, so it can't be -3 centimeters. But 25/4, even though might seem like a weird side length, is totally possible, right? This is just over 6 centimeters, so this is fine. Similarly, 3/5 centimeters is also fine, or 15. All of these are good. Scanning along, I don't find another issue until around -18, because here again we have a negative side length. That will be a problem for our situation.